find the gunshot means found. Resident, so what do you want? I'm Unleashed Rap King of the Streets.
Greetings, YouTube. Lightning Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, I'm super excited to be bringing you guys along with me for the results of a grow experiment that we've been conducting here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel for the past 10 days. That's right, YouTube. For the past 10 days, we've been conducting a seed germination experiment here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel, and we're proud to bring you guys the results of that seed germination experiment right here and right now, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. For approximately the past 10 days, we have indeed been conducting a seed germination experiment here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel. We attempted to germinate 2 mango seeds that we purchased at our local grocery store here in Tifton, Georgia. We consumed those 2 mangoes. We washed the seeds thoroughly. We dehusked those seeds and planted them here in 2 separate pots here in our front yard garden extended grow area. I'm gonna flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what's going on with our 2 mango seedlings. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Oh my God, yes indeed. Are our mango tree seedlings looking exceptionally well or not, YouTube? After only 10 days of growth right here in our front yard garden extended grow area, YouTube, this is indeed what our 2 mango tree seedlings are currently looking like, YouTube. It is super easy to germinate mangoes. Only takes a few simple steps. First of all, you need a mango, YouTube. You're gonna consume that mango or remove the flesh from that mango. You're simply gonna dehusk that mango seed. There's actually a bean-shaped seed inside of that little furry husk that's left over when you consume a mango. You're gonna simply split that husk open gently with like a butter knife, something not that sharp. You're gonna remove that seed or that bean from that husk, YouTube. And you're gonna plant that seed or that bean in a pot such as this, maybe a larger pot if you require a larger pot. You're gonna plant that seed with the narrow side facing down. A mango seed has a wide side and a narrow side. The narrow side is indeed the side in which both the root and the growth tip of your mango tree seedling will emerge from. You're gonna place that side down in your soil. You're gonna place the fat side up, and you're only gonna gently, just barely cover your mango tree seed completely. Just barely cover it, YouTube. As you can see, I moved this soil here. There's maybe a quarter, not even a quarter of an inch of soil on top of that mango tree seed right there. That's the seed right there. But there's a minimal amount of soil atop this seed when I planted it here in this pot. I kept both of these pots in a non-sunny area right here on my front porch for the past 10 days, YouTube. Approximately 5 days ago, I saw the first signs of seed germination in this particular mango tree seedling here. And on the 6th day, YouTube, I saw signs of germination in this particular mango tree seedling here. And approximately 5 days after germination, YouTube, this is how much growth both of these mango tree seedlings has attained in just the past 5 days. We can't possibly be more pleased by what we see in the growth rate of our 2 mango tree seedlings, YouTube, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. This one indeed seems to have some darker or colored leaves than this one. The leaves on this one were a little more tinted towards this color, but not quite that dark when it first germinated. I think these are both 2 of the same variety of mango tree seeds that I planted here in these pots. I bought them on the same day from the same store in the same bin location in that store. So I think they are indeed both the same type of mango tree seeds. But YouTube, again, yes indeed, again, YouTube, are our mango tree seedlings looking fantastic or what? after only 10 days of growth here in these 2 pots. We're going to place our mango tree seedlings back over here where we germinated them at over here on our plant right here on our front porch. As you can see, we have several things growing on here in this plant right. Our mango tree seedlings is indeed one of those things we currently have growing on here on our plant right here on our front porch, YouTube. That plant right over there gets indirect sunlight all day, every day, from sun up to sunset. No direct light strikes this plant right over here, YouTube. And again, we can't possibly be more pleased by what we see with our mango tree seedlings after just 10 days of growth. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing mango trees from seeds right at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Grow Zone 8B here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Rewind the gunshot means forward. We requested it, so we
County do, city do, stay. I'm unleashed, rap king of the streets, ripping up another beat, and I still don't play. I flow smooth in my lyrics on time. All my haters in the crowd, listen loud, but I leave them all quiet when I say what's on my mind. I ain't fell off, I won't stop. As I did from the corner of the top until my very last breath, I'm gonna give it all I got. Red eyes, thinking late night flights. Won't stop and jealous that I'm touching down in Cali, destination in the valley, and I'm feeling alright. I'm elevated, I'm a product of the sun. Top status, I'm a flowing apparatus. Got my haters talking chatter, but I still get it done. Everywhere I go, I still see pros. On the beat, see I'm walking down the street, high heels on their feet, almost wearing no clothes. I'm making money selling records overseas. All in Ghana, I'll be smoking marijuana. You can find me down under, even in the Philippines. Like Ali, I'm a lion, I'm the greatest. I'm top notch, I can see outside the box. I'm making haters stop and watch because they know that I done made it.
rewind, the gunshot means forward. We requested it, so we rewind.
Looking for me, you can find me in my life. I stand tall, but I keep my circle smart. Don't let them lawyers get involved whenever I profit off my name. I'm full grown, I'm a lion in my prime. Check my design, I mean the way I spit around. I'm about to make that haters feel me like I did the last time. Deep breath and I'ma drop another verse. No competition for this lion on a mission. If you want it, come and get it. I'ma hit you where it hurts. You need a minute, let my word marinate. It's been a minute, I didn't mean to make you wait. I'm about to rip it straight to shreds and I ain't gonna hesitate.